What's up guys, Pedro here, and on this video I'm going to show you how to make what I call a Caribbean kick. It's a sweet and spicy hot sauce. Coming up right after this. Welcome back. If we're just meeting, my name is Pedro, and on this channel we like to share recipes from our family and friends, and sometimes we just like to have fun. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing I want to do, as usual, is give you the ingredients. Okay, in this recipe we're going to be using one whole mango. It was a medium-sized mango. I've already cut it up. I've already prepared everything. It was a medium-sized mango. You want to use a medium to a large-sized mango. Just peel it and pit it, and we'll be putting it in the juicer or blender, whatever you decide to use. We're also using a half teaspoon of ginger, ground ginger. We've got a half a tablespoon of pickling salt, or a fine salt. Then I've got a half a teaspoon, or excuse me, a half a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Okay, and then we have a half a cup of water. We have a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. We have 3 red chili peppers. I've seeded 2 of them, and I left the seeds in one of them. Everybody knows the heat is in the seeds, so I got to put some heat in there anyways. We have a cup of pineapple. And just for good measure, I decided to cut up 2 small Habanero peppers. And we'll throw that in there as well. So anyways, all you want to do is take all your ingredients and put them in your blender or juicer, whatever it is that you're using. I got this Ninja for Father's Day, and I absolutely love it. Okay, I got my mango, I got my half a cup of vinegar, my half a cup of water, my cup of pineapple. Now I used fresh pineapple and just cubed it. You can just substitute crushed pineapple or whatever, cubed pineapple in a can. Just make sure you put a cup in there. And you got 2 of the habanero peppers, and I got 3. I got to mush this stuff down in there. 3 red chili peppers. And you could probably substitute maybe red jalapenos or something like that for the red chili peppers, but I love those red chili peppers. I got them, actually I had to buy them at the local grocery store because I could not find any seeds to grow them. So what I've done is I've actually saved some of the seeds from those. There's my half a tablespoon of salt and my Worcestershire sauce. Okay, that's all my ingredients. So anyways, I saved the seeds from those red chili peppers, and I'm going to be planting some of those. I've been growing everything from seeds in my garage, actually. And once they get to a certain size, I'll take them out and plant them outside in the garden or in a pot. So anyways, I love this thing, man. I just put everything in there, twist and lock it. And this thing, let's see, I gotta turn it on first. And there's a Puree button. It's gonna get loud, so bear with me. And that's what I'm talking about. I'm actually gonna do it one more time, just for good measure. I love this Ninja. Thing is bad to the bone. Okay, so now we're going to put it into a saucepan. Let me turn this stove on, and we're going to, choose which one of these. We're going to bring this to a boil, and once it starts boiling, we're going to turn the heat down and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Oh my God, this stuff! It smells delicious. So we're going to pour this in here. And I got the the heat on. Like I said, we're gonna bring it to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, we're going to turn it down and let it simmer for 5 minutes. I've got to get a spatula because I want to get every bit of that out of here. Be right back. Okay, I want to get every single bit of this out of here. Oh, God, it smells so good. Yeah, it smells so good. Ah, I wish I could get every bit of that out of there. Okay. Okay, it won't take long. This will start boiling, and like I said, we'll once it starts boiling, we're going to turn the heat down, let it simmer for 5 minutes, and then we'll have to turn it off and let it cool down, and then it'll be ready to put in some jars or bottles, whatever. Actually, I'm going to put them in my jars back here because I want to share this with friends. I've already had a few friends ask me for some, so okay, I'm going to take this and clean this stuff up, and I'll be right back. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Your timer is set for 5 minutes.
Okay, so I'm going to take it off the heat, let it cool down, and once it cools down, I'm going to start putting in my little bottles here. And I've got a little label maker, so I'm going to put the name on here and the date, today's date, which is July 4th. Excuse me. So, as soon as it cools down, we're going to put it in bottles. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. This is actually July 5th. The sauce didn't cool down in time for me to be able to bottle it before we had to go to Zach's house for dinner last night. So I threw it in the fridge. It's cooled down, of course, now. And I'm getting ready to bottle it. And man, this stuff smells delicious. Stirring it up, it just smells so good. I cannot wait. I can't wait to try this on some fish tacos. Let's get a little closer view of that for you guys. Where's my funnel? Be right back. Okay, so I got my little funnel. Only got 2 jars left. I think I might have another case of them somewhere, but you got to be careful when you're doing this. If you're using a little funnel like I am, it's got a little bitty neck, so you fill it up and let it drip it down in there. Otherwise, you're gonna have a mess on your hands. Oh, this smells so good. So I'm probably gonna end up using a mason jar for myself, actually. And I will share these. Share these with my friends. I took a couple bottles to my buddy Zach last night. We went over there, had dinner. It was awesome. And fireworks were incredible. Went across the street to his neighbor's house, and they spent some money on some fireworks. That was a lot of fun. Hope you guys had a great 4th of July. I cannot tell you how good this smells. I cannot explain it. Oops, I forgot to turn that off. Okay, because Zach and Bethany are both dog lovers, as well as my wife and I, we were able to take Baxter over there last night, and they had 2 swimming pools, actually, 2 doggy swimming pools. One was your traditional hard, like kiddie pool type, and the other one was this flexible one that you could, it's collapsible, and you can drain it and collapse it and store it away. So anyways, we ended up ordering one because Tucker, rest his soul, Baxter loved it so much. He would go from one pool to the next, back and forth, and he had a tennis ball, and he kept. I'll show you guys a short video of it. But anyways, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my label maker, and I'm going to go ahead and label these what type of sauce it is. The Caribbean Kick is what I call it, and also put the date on them. These will probably, because of the vinegar content in them being 5% or more, this is actually 5%, but because of the vinegar or acidic content, I should say, they'll last for a couple of months. Personally, I'll try them far more longer than that, but that's just me. So you guys, use your own discretion. Also discovered that you can break the top off of this pineapple like that right there, and you can put that like I did with the garlic, and it'll sprout roots, and you can actually grow a plant from that. So I'm going to try that. So you guys look out for a future video on that. Okay, so that's it. This stuff smells so good. Well, actually, I'm going to try it right now. Wait, let me do this. Stick my finger in there. Oh my God. That is delicious. Oh my God. The pineapple in there just adds a little bit more flavor to the mango, and the seeds from the red chili pepper, man, whew, give it a nice kick. That right there, folks, that's money right there. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to make some fish tacos and try this hot sauce on those fish tacos. Oh my God. You guys got to try this. Hey, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. If you're new here, consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notifications button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Until next time, God bless. Y'all take care. Oh, wait a minute. Don't forget, we have a Facebook page. Check out our Facebook page because I'll put more personal stuff on there, more personal content, and also upcoming videos, so on and so forth. So there's a little bit more information on our Facebook page than you get to see on our YouTube channel. So go check out our Facebook page, and we're going to be having we're going to have a website coming up really soon. So again, y'all take care. God bless. We'll see you next time.